Welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is intergovernmental fiscal relations in India, Center-State Fiscal Relationship and Finance Commission. Introduction. Intergovernmental fiscal relations refer to the financial relationship between different levels of government in a federal system. In India, fiscal relations exist mainly between the central government and state governments regarding distribution of revenues, taxes, grants, and financial responsibilities. The Constitution of India provides a clear division of financial powers and responsibilities between the centre and the states to maintain financial balance and cooperative federalism. Centre-state fiscal relations refer to the financial arrangements and distribution of financial resources between the central government and state governments. The main objective is to ensure balanced economic development and financial cooperation between the centre and states. Constitutional Framework, 7th Schedule. The division of financial resources between the centre and the states ensures local level needs are handled by states, while nationally uniform or interstate taxes fall under the centre. Union List. Centre includes broad-based and buoyant taxes like corporate tax, income tax, excluding agricultural income, customs duties, and CGST. State List. States includes localized taxes like state excise, land revenue, agricultural income tax, and SGST on intrastate transactions. Finance Commission. The Finance Commission of India is a constitutional body established under Article 280 of the Constitution of India. It is appointed by the President of India every 5 years to recommend distribution of financial resources between the centre and the states. The Finance Commission consists of 1 chairperson, 4 other members. They are appointed by the President of India. Functions of Finance Commission: recommends sharing of tax revenue between centre and states, determines distribution of state share among different states, suggests principles for providing grants to states, helps maintain balanced financial relations in the country. Importance of Finance Commission: promotes equitable allocation of financial resources, provides assistance to financially weaker states, helps maintain fiscal discipline and balanced development, strengthens financial cooperation between centre and states. Problems in centre-state fiscal relations: many states rely heavily on central assistance. States often face shortage of financial resources. Differences between centre and states may affect fiscal cooperation. States face rising expenditure on welfare and development programs. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. See you in the next one.